Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited. And today we are going to see about the post-market closing analysis. Then how the market was closed today and how the market happened and whatever the levels we have discussed in the morning, whether that has achieved or not, whether support has broken or resistance have broken to the level. So how the world market perceives and also sectorial basis, what are the movements we have did. So this kind of information we are going to see in this session. So morning itself we have told that we can find that bullish market can form likewise. So the same thing was happened. Morning it was open around the flat negative, that is around Nifty futures open minus 22 points, and Bank Nifty future if you see 39,542 is yesterday's close, that is Friday's close, and today it was open around 39,499, around 43 points of gap down we have seen. That is a flat negative opening. But from there it went up to the level of around if you see in about Nifty future 170 points of upside movement we have seen, and also in Bank Nifty we have seen around 500 points of upside we have seen. So this is the movement we have seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty future. So morning we have predicted that we can found the bullish market today, but the same thing has happened also. But what we have told in a sense, that if the European market, till the European market, the market will be on a conservative mode. After the European market be fully bullish trend, we can see likewise we have discussed in the morning. The same thing was happened, but the European market was started with a negative note. But even also our market has a strong move. So if you see about Nifty compared with Bank Nifty, Nifty movement was little bit lower, but Bank Nifty is very strong when compared with Nifty. So Nifty future yesterday's close, that is on Friday's close, is around 17,562, and today it was open around 17,540 level, and from that 17,540, that is the low, that is open is the low. From the low it got support and it went up to the level of 17,727 is the high, and it was closed around 17,704 level. So and also Bank Nifty future, if you see morning itself I have told that 43 points of gap down we have seen in opening. From there the low is around 39,456, around 40 points of came low. From there it went up to the level of 39,999 is the high, and it was closing around 39,921 level. So sentimentally the 40,000 level was not broken in Bank Nifty future, and also if you see in Nifty 17,730 a resistance is there morning it out, it was not broken. But if today evening the US market is opening in a bullish trend, or it's a positive opening we have seen in US market, and tomorrow morning the Asian market is on a bullish movement, if you see, then our market will be on a very strong bullish, then we can expect a gap up opening of minimum 100 to 150 points. There can be a possible move if the US market closing and Asian market opening is support to the market. If that movement was not supported, that the global Q was not supported, then we can expect the bearish trend rally toward 50 to 80 points gap down can be happen. But I am expecting a bullish opening also tomorrow morning. Okay, and compared with any other news for today, if you see, yes, some of the news is there. J Corp Limited around 28.92 crores worth of shares has been on a block trade in NSE or BSE. The total number of shares is 17,33,649 shares at the rate of 166.8. If you see about the J Corp, and today it's around 16.58% upward movement we have seen today. Around 140 it was open, and the high is around 166 today. So this is the good news for J Corp, I think. And also VMart, if you see VMart of 14 lakh shares traded at 28,2815 likewise. So this is also a block trade in VMart, but VMart price, how it was movement, minus 3.72%. VMart got more today. And also that Skipper company wins large order worth of rupees 225 crores. Market capital is around 650 crores. So today how the Skipper company moved today is around 17.39% of change today. That is open is around 63.80 and high is around 75. So this is the movement of Skipper. Okay, and another thing, yes, BEL, Bharat Electric. Just a minute, yeah. that BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, is trading around 327.90. What the news, if you ask me? BEL, the total, that is block trade happened 30.97 crores worth of shares. That is total number of shares is around 9,51,066 shares at the rate of 325.6. So BEL movement today, if you see 1.03% upward movement, if it was moved today. So these are the stocks are under that is news coming today. And any other news, if you ask me? Yes, update on steel sector, that is India's steel prices drop further. Mills announces price cuts for September delivery settlement line. Then Indian finance minister says widening the tax base in India is still an issue. A lot more needs to be done likewise. And also Indian finance ministry says we will go ahead with a strategic disinvestment in banks as announced. This is a news for today. And if you coming to the part of sector-wise movement, which other sector was more good today? If you see, I am saying that Nifty Media is around 2.75% upward movement it has happened, and also around metal stocks. Metal stocks is around Nifty Metal 1.67% upward movement, and Nifty Bank is around 0.98%. Then Nifty Financial Services is around 0.65% upward movement, and also PSU Banks is around 0.95% upward movement. Then private banks is around 1.12% upward movement. So most of the sectors are not positive. That is, all the sectors bullish. That is positive green closing we have seen. And top gainers and top losers about today's market is that top 5 gainers is that Hindalco is around 3.35% positive movement did today, and JSW Steel is around 3.11% positive movement happened. Then NTPC is around 1.79% positive movement happened. Then ITC 1.73. Then Sun Pharma is around 1.58. These are the top gainers in Nifty stocks and all. Then top losers in Nifty stocks, if you see Nestle India is around minus 1.71%, and Bajaj Auto is minus 1.71%. Then Britannia minus 1.11%. Then Ultra Cements minus 1.05%. Then Eicher Motor is around minus 0.75%. These are the top gainers and top losers today. Okay, coming to the point, I will show my screen how the market performed today. Yes, I am sharing my screen now. I am showing the Nifty futures chart now. I will show intraday chart of 15 minutes candle. Yes, this is a 15 minutes candle. Morning itself, what we have told that 17,613 resistance is there. If it was broken, then 17,652 resistance is there. Then 17,697 up to 17,742 a possible level we have told in the morning. Here you see the chart how it was happened. So from 9:15 to 9:30 candle, the open is at 17,540 and the high is around 17,634, and open is the low 17,540. The next 15 minutes candle itself, it was broken, the high of 17,686. So after the second candle, whenever the third candle is opening and crossing the level of 17,686, then we can move towards a long position with the stop loss of 17,540. Then it got moved towards the 17,727 is the high, and it was not broken the stop loss. So this is the level of trade today we are seeing. The same thing for Bank Nifty future also. Yes, Bank Nifty futures 15 minutes candle I am showing you. Yes, I will show you the intraday chart of today's. Yes, this is our Bank Nifty chart you are seeing, and Bank Nifty level we have updated in the morning is at 39,734 resistance is there. If it was broken, then 39,830 and 39,926 till 40,032 resistance. Morning we have discussed the same thing was happened, but instead of breaking 40,000, 39,999 itself, it was reversed to the level of 39,920 level. So from the first candle open is at 39,499 and the high is around 39,834. The second candle itself, it was broken the first candle's high of 39,875. So after 39,875 we can go along with a stop loss of 39,456. So it got moved towards 39,999 also. But here we are seeing the one side market today, whatever the movement has happened. Okay, this resistance was broken today. And coming to that daily chart, how it was moved and what is the support level from here. About the daily chart, I will show you. Yes, this is the daily chart and we are here, and whenever the market, I have told you clearly, if the two consecutive sessions was closing above 17,750 level, then we can expect a rally towards 18,050 or 18,100 level, also a possible level for Nifty future. In weekly update itself we are discussing in Zebu YouTube page. So here in the next session, that is 17,765, after 17,765 a good rally we can see up to the level of 18,004, also a possible level in Nifty futures. Okay, and coming to the point of Bank Nifty future, the daily chart I will show you. Yes, we are here the daily chart and the levels are up. Yes, here the level, that is 39,888. Already the resistance was broken, then we need to go towards the level of 40,000 level where it can make, that is here 40,949, before 40,949, 39,890 and 40,116 a level is there. So if 40,116 to 150 level is broken, then we can expect the rally towards 40,950, also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. And coming to the options, how the options moved today, that is for example, for your understanding, I am taking here around Nifty 17,600 call. Here I will show the intraday chart of 17,600 call option. I am sharing my screen now. Yes, the open of that 17,600 strike is around 144, and the opening 15 minutes itself, the low is around 105. From the low it came to the level of the second candle's high is around 167.8. Within half an hour period, it went up to the level of 60 points from 105. And the next itself at around 12:30 we are seeing the high is around 183.75. So from 105, around 80 points movement we have seen in Nifty future, that is Nifty option, that is 17,600 call option. The investment would have made around 5,000 to 5,500 likewise. If approximately 5,600, if you see from 5,600 it moved towards a level of 180, around 4,000 rupees can be a profitable movement we are seeing today. It's a possible movement only. So the same thing we will be discussing about the Bank Nifty option, 39,800 call option. 13,800 call option is while opening in the market, it was out of the money, but now it's in the money only. The 15 minutes candle I am showing you an intraday chart. Yes, the open of that particular 39,800 call is around 269 and the low is around 210 for first 15 minute candle, and the high made it around 350. From 350, how much the high went till now? 410 it went. So around if you would have bought around 300 and sold it around 400, the 100 rupees profit can make. 100 rupees profit in the sense around 2,500 rupees profit we can make in this. The investment would be around 7,500. That's it. So if we are investing 7,500, we can make a profit of 2,500 with this possibility of this moment I am showing you. So these are the levels for your understanding only. So don't do blindly and don't take this into consideration for your trade blindly. So you discuss with your investment advisor and wealth managers for your trade, then you initiate your trade, or else you comment on a comment box, we will be reverting you on it. So if you have any queries, you can comment on the comment box, we will be reverting. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.